when you create a code repository, Foundry scaffolds the project for you. You get an src directory for your transforms, a test directory for unit tests, package.json for dependencies, tsconfig.json for TypeScript config, and foundry.config.json to declare your input and output datasets. The structure is professional, just like any modern TypeScript project, but integrated with Foundry's data governance. The project structure follows standard conventions. src/index.ts is your entry point where you register transforms. Transform files use Foundry decorators. Input declares which dataset to read. Output declares where to write. And the compute method contains your logic. The test directory uses jest, and Foundry runs these tests automatically on every commit. Foundry.config.json maps logical names to actual dataset paths in Foundry. This is the kind of logic code repositories excel at: multivariable scoring, conditional rules, and ranked outputs. The routing function scores each technician based on 4 factors. Specialty match gives +10. Secondary skill match gives +5. Workload penalizes -1 per active order up to -5. And the rating bonus as the technician's average rating as points. The function then sorts all technicians by score, descending to recommend the best candidate. Let's trace through a concrete example. We have 4 technicians and an HVAC work order. Carlos has HVAC as his primary specialty, so he gets +10. He has 2 active orders, so -2 penalty. His 4.8 rating gives +4.8 bonus. His total score 12.8. He wins. Maria has HVAC as a secondary skill, so +5 instead of +10. With 1 active order and a 4.6 rating, she scores 8.6. Sarah has no HVAC skills but 0 workload and a 4.9 rating. James scores lowest, no match, and the heaviest workload.